Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Again, welcome to Hassan Homeopathic official YouTube channel. Today, I will talk about a very powerful homeopathic medicine, Formica raufa. Formica raufa is prepared from the red wood ant. It is a very important homeopathic medicine and it is specially used for joint pain and goat pain and chronic rheumatoid arthritis conditions. Uh, Four key symptoms of this homeopathic medicine is severe joint pain and especially goat pains and fatigue and back stiffness and chronic arthritis diseases. Very useful for these symptoms.